this one, this is just simplifying, okay? So you need to basically memorize this definition. Okay, we're going to expand our definition of i's, okay? You know that I to the first equals I, correct? You know that I squared equals what? -1. How could I break down I to the third? I to the third is the same thing as I squared times I. So that is -1 times I, which becomes -I, right? I to the third. What is I to the third? Simplified. You can't leave it as I to the third, okay? When you simplify i's, you cannot leave any exponents on i's. There cannot be any exponents other than a 1. Okay, so we're going to simplify just I to a power. Okay, so I to the third would break down to be I squared times I. I squared is -1. I is I. -1 times I gives you -I. Okay, what if I ask you to simplify I to the fourth? I to the fourth simplifies to be I squared times I squared, correct? So I squared is -1 times -1, so I to the fourth is +1. Okay? Now, given those four, I want you to simplify I to the 13th. Simplify I to the 13th. Oh, you can do it.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, hold on, calm down. Okay, now, I'm going to show you two different ways to do this, okay? The first one is you can break this down in terms of 1, 2, 3s, and 4s. Okay, so how many I to the fourths is this? 3. Okay, I to the fourth to the third times how many more? 1 more, right? So this is I to the 12th times just I, correct? Yes? Okay, we're trying to break them down in groups of 4. So, what is I to the fourth? 1. So that's 1 to the third times I. 1 to the third is just 1. 1 times I is I. So I to the 13th breaks down to be I. I to the 13th simplified is just I. Okay? So you can break them down. Listen. Or I'm going to show you a pattern. Okay? Yes. I'm going to show you the easy pattern. Say it again, Natalie. I was just saying, if we want to break this down, I'm going to break it down in groups of 4. So that could be I to the 12th. That goes into 4 times I to the 1st, right? I to the 12th times I to the 1st. That's all I did there. I to the 12th could come from the 4th to the 3rd power. No. Hey, guys, listen. I would like to show you the easy pattern if you would be quiet. Hey, I don't need to know the easy pattern. You guys can do it the hard way if you want to. What is the easy pattern?
Well, actually, it's my easy pattern.
What is it?
I just broke down I to the 12th to like 3I to the 4th. So that would be.
But that's what we did. No, that's what I already did. It's not the easy pattern. Okay, watch. I'm going to show you an easy saying. Okay? It's kind of silly, but that's okay. Okay? The silly saying is, I won, okay? I won a negative sandwich, okay? So I'm going to show you this in just a second. Hey.
That's so funny.
Okay? Watch. I won a negative sandwich. Because watch, if you do this, I to the first, I to the second, I to the third, I to the fourth. I'm going to show you an easy way to know these. Okay? Watch. You say, I won a negative sandwich. Okay? I won a negative sandwich. So you put negatives in the middle. Then, with any number, you just count. Watch. Okay? So if you do I to the 13th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's I.
What if I see a 500?
Now, this is great for smaller numbers. So up to like 13, I'm kind of okay with. Okay? Now, even I know you want to get that. Okay? Now, how about if I give you I to the 22nd? Okay? Yes, you can count out 22 times. Or you can break it down to groups of 4. Okay? So how many groups of 4 would you have? This would be I to the 20th. And how many are left behind? 2. No. She's on independent studies. So I to the 4th to the 5th power times I to the 2nd, right? What is I to the 4th? A whole 1 times what's I to the 2nd? -1. So I to the 22nd reduces or simplifies to just be -1. Now, you can do it this way or you can count. However, I will tell you, if you count, be very, very careful because a lot of times people just start going 1, 2, 3, 4 and they like miss up somewhere, okay? If you count to 22, you will get this. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
No, I got you just did that
No, I didn't. You get -1.
one. You stopped at 20. Oh,
Oh, no.
So you stopped at 21 on 22 on I.
I didn't get it.
It's because it's 22. Oh, I'm sorry.
There's a delayed reaction on the camera.
Okay, I'm sorry. It works. Okay, now try one more because this is where you do not want to count. Okay, because it's just too big. I to the 47th power. You can count if you want to, but it will take a long time.
Not really.
Okay, so you want to see the chart?
40. Oh, wow. You're not going to do this.
So, yes, you can count. Or break this down to groups of 4. I to the... Hold on. I to the 44th times I to the 3rd. 44th is I to the 4th raised to the 11th power times I to the 3rd. So 1 to the 11th times what's I to the 3rd? -I. 1 times -I is -I. -I should be your answer.
Wait, can you move it back to the...
You need to see the chart again?
Yeah, because I think I wrote it wrong. Oh, yeah, you sure did.
So, immediately, listen, immediately when you get your next quiz and test, I want you to write this chart, okay? And the way you remember the chart is I won a negative sandwich. I won a negative sandwich. I know it's silly.
I accidentally put an I on I.